shared an Excel file and had your formulas deleted or data overwritten. Let's fix that. I'll show you how to lock your sheet while keeping specific cells editable. Okay, let's dive in. Let's say we're working with a monthly sales tracker for a small business. We want only the sales and notes should be editable, while everything else stays protected. First, highlight the actual sales and notes columns. These are the ones we want users to update. Right-click on the selected cells. Then Format Cells. Go to the Protection tab. Uncheck Locked. And click OK. All cells in Excel are locked by default, but locking only works after the sheet is protected. Now let's protect the sheet to lock everything, except the cells we've intentionally left editable. Go to the Review tab on the ribbon. Click Protect Sheet. In the Protect Sheet dialog box, ensure Select Unlocked Cells is checked. This allows users to interact only with the editable fields. You can set a password here. It's optional, but highly recommended to prevent unauthorized changes. Click OK to apply protection. That's it. Now, only the unlocked cells can be edited. Users cannot modify any other part of the sheet, including formatting or formulas. Your data remains safe and intact, while still allowing input where needed. If you want to allow users to format these cells, first, unprotect the sheet. Again, go to the Protect Sheet. And in the Protect Sheet dialog box, scroll down and check Format Cells. And click OK. Now users can edit and format these cells. Super helpful when collaborating on shared files. If this made your Excel life easier, give this video a like, share it, and don't forget to subscribe to Easy Click Learning for more Excel magic. See you in the next one.